Hey guys, what's up? And this is me again, Jay, and for today's mini video, mini vlog, I have something to share to you guys. And if you really like it, to be more with this, just finish this video and matutuwa kayo for me. You know that. You love that for me, diba? So, eto na nga guys, I have something to share to you. But before that, I have a burger in my side, so I need to get it kasi, actually kinain ko na siya kanina, pero I need to finish this. So, ito siya. Ito na lang, french fries at saka itong konting burger, diba? Kinain ko na siya, nagutom na talaga ako. And this, I have this, drinks and apple on the side. So, ayun nga. So, guys, it's already 12, like, running 1 a.m. here in the morning in Europe. So we're sailing going to Barcelona, Spain, and yeah, tomorrow morning we're in Barcelona, Spain. So ayun na nga. So I have something to share to you guys. So actually I'm so happy that as you can see on the title, yeah, it's really true. The title, yeah, I dated a German guy. So, ito na nga, ito yung story to make it short. So, actually guys, on that area, so, earlier, so, may doon, like a teapot, something on the place that I work. So, while kasi nagre-refill ako ng water doon for the teapot para may mainit na water, and on that time, while refilling it, there's one guy sitting on the side, and yeah, it's kind of handsome. So there's two couple na lumapit on that teapot, and I think they're part of the LGBTQ plus A community, but they're just also handsome. They're like Italian guys. So, and they're just saying to me na sabi nila na ano ba sabi nila, aqua, ano sabi nila, aqua caldo, sabi ng ganon. Sabi ko naman, no, signore, aqua fredda, no, aqua caldo. Sabi kong gano'n. Sabi nila, mainit ba daw tong tubig na to for the tea, sabi nila, tisana, aqua caldo, sabi ng gano'n. So sabi ko, no, signore, aqua fredda, sabi ng gano'n. So, sabi na mainit ba daw? Then sabi ko, hindi pa, malamig pa po sir, kasi kare-refill ko lang. Tapos sabi niya, no. Sabi niya, si, sabi niya gano'n. Pero, pinush pa din niya, kumuha pa din siya ng tubig doon kahit hindi siya mainit. So, ayun na nga, nagtimpla sila ng tea, and then, so pag inom niya ng dalawa, hindi talaga siya, di siya mainit. So, malamig pa siya kasi kalalagay ko lang. And then, nangyari, tumatawa siya sa gilid. Pero nung umalis na yung dalawa kasi then tumatawa siya, sabi ko ganun. Tapos tumingin ako sa kanya, sabi ko ganun, did you understand them? Sabi ko ganun. Tapos sabi niya, yeah, I can understand them because I can speak 4 languages. Sabi ko ganun. Oh wow, you're so intelligent. Sabi ko ganun. Yeah, then tinanong ko, chineka ko na siya. Sabi ko, oh, what like, how many languages that you can speak? Sabi niya ganun. I can speak English, Italian, French, and Spanish. Sabi ko ganun, oh my God, sabi ko ganun. Aside from my main language, which is German, sabi niya ganun. Sabi ko, oh, perfect naman ito, sabi niya ganun. So, siya lumapit siya, sabi niya sa akin na, what flavor do you have there in your tea? Sabi ko ganun. Do you wanted to try? Sabi ko ganun. Sabi niya, yeah, sabi niya. So, sabi ko, okay, so we have lots of teas right here. Like, we have this Scandinavian, we have this South African tea, and we have this Indian tea, and ano pa ba yung meron? So, sabi kong ganun. We have this Japanese tea, sabi niya ganun. So, sabi niya ganun, can I just try this Japanese one? Because I think you're Asian, right? Sabi ka, yeah, Asian domination. Sabi yung ganun. E, tumawa siya sa akin, diba? So, natuwa siya. So, nangyari so sabi niya ganun. So, uminom na siya. So, sabi niya ganun, oh my God, it's really good. Sabi niya ganun. Ako, yeah, it's really good. And ayun, sinicheka-cheka niya na ako, sabi niya gano'n, like that, sabi niya gano'n. So ako naman, chika lang ako ng cheka sa kanya. Pero na-o-awkward na ako kasi may maraming tao doon sa sa teapot, yung sa area ng lounge kasi hindi nandun kami. Tapos pag may kumukuha ng mga pasahero for the tea, tumatahimik kaming dalawa kasi 'di ba, nahihiya ako kasi, 'di ba, like, talking to the passengers is not, from me as a crew, right, 'di ba? Sabi niya gano'n. Ayun na nga, so natapos na yung namin, nung chika namin kasi, magkasama sila ng lola niya, so inaantay niya yung lola niya for the massage or something and the treatment there. So, ayun na nga, so natapos ng lola niya yung pinakilala niya ako sa lola niya, tapos nagcheka-cheka kami, sabi niya gano'n. Habang matagal-tagal din yung cheka namin ng lola niya, sabi niya gano'n. So, hindi kami mag-iintindihan ng lola niya kasi yung lola niya talaga is, German lang talaga yung, lengguwahe na alam niya. So, siya, marunong siyang mag-English. So, ayun, tina-translate niya sa akin. Kung anong sinasabi ko sa lola niya, tina-translate niya din papunta sa akin. Parang gano'n, translate na, yung sinasabi ko, "Oh my God, you look so beautiful, senyora." Sabi ko gano'n, "Madam, you're so beautiful in your age like that. Oh my God." Sabi ko gano'n. And, sabi ko gano'n, na "Did you enjoy your cruise right here? And then, how's the food?" Like that, sinasabi ko gano'n. Tapos natutuwa yung lola niya sa akin. Then after that, nung umalis na yung lola niya, nagpaiwan siya. Sabi niya gano'n. Sinundan niya ako sa CRT, sabi niya gano'n. Sabi niya pero walang kemi doon kaya naman baka isipin niyo, walang kemi doon. So, sinundan niya ako sa CR kasi this is the only place that we could talk like privately, something na parang so sabi niya sa akin, "This is my account and I just wanted to invite you later if there's any place that the crew and passenger can eat together." Sabi niya gano'n. Sabi ko gano'n, sabi ko, "Totoo ba? Seryoso ba?" Sabi ko gano'n. "Why, sir?" Sabi niya gano'n. "Yeah, I like you. I want to talk to you. I want to know you more, and I wanted to know you better with this." Like this, sabi niya gano'n. "Yeah, sure." And then he asked me that, anong oras daw ako matatapos. And then I'll be out here in my work, sir, at 11 p.m. in the evening. So, sabi niya ganun, "Okay, so I'm gonna wait you right here and I'll order food for us so that we could talk like that." So, sabi na, "Okay." So, ayun na. So, he gave me the his account from Instagram, and I just really, I informed him na, "Sir, I'm not really into Instagram kasi hindi naman talaga ako nag-Instagram. So, mostly I'm on Facebook." So, and he gave me his WhatsApp and something like that. So, we're just exchanging our social media account. So, ayun na nga. So, nag-usap kami, parang ganun. And, ayun na. So, ayun na, pumunta na kami doon sa yung social na kainan ng parang, yung pizza, something ganun. So, alam mo naman, mga European, di naman yung kumakain ng kanin. So, pizza, pasta. And, yeah, we talk a lot of, about their life in Germany, and they're living in Hamburg, something German, I don't know, hindi ko alam. Parang gano'n. Isang mayamang daw yun, a place. Yes, Hamburg, parang gano'n. And sabi niya, they're doing the cruise with his lola kasi, kasi, 'di ba, kasi naburo yung lola niya. Kasi yung lola niya is, teacher doon sa kanila. And yung mansion daw ng lola niya, hindi na tinitirhan kasi namatay na yung lola niya. And, yung anak ng lola niya is dalawa lang sila magkapatid, which is yung uncle niya at saka yung tatay niya. And yun siya, kinuha na daw yung lola niya papunta doon sa bahay ng tatay niya kasi mag-isa na lang yung lola niya kasi wala na yung lolo. And yung mansion ng lola niya wala na nakatira, parang ganun. And dalawa lang silang magkapatid. So, he has an older brother, which is nag-aaral daw ng parang mechanical something na and is also still studying, and yeah, ang dami niyang ano. And then doon ko nalalaman na parang mayaman talaga sila, mayaman sila kasi his dad daw has a BMW pero hindi na nagagamit. Oh, di ba? BMW, sabi ko ganun, wala naman kami BMW sa amin. Rosie charot. So sabi ko ganun, okay, so ganun, so nag-usap-usap kami, nag-getting to know kami, and yeah, na-amaze daw siya sa akin, and I don't know, maybe nagagandahan siya. Chera. And yeah, so ayun na nga. Pero bata pa siya ha. So I'm not really into like pushing too much of this kasi baka it just really ano lang, parang na-attract lang siya for that. So tayo, I don't want it to be, you know, the mabokya ng mga ano. So I'm just, you know, go with the flow. Go with the flow, 'di ba? Kung ano lang yung meron, kung ibigay di push, kung hindi, okay, just fine and select, parang ganoon, 'di ba? And yun na nga, yun na yung nangyari. So nag-ano daw siya, yun, nagkumuha siya ng ano, ng lisensya for driving kasi sa Germany daw, need talaga na marunong ka mag-ano kasi ang yung place na ano nila, nagsasakyan sila, parang ganon. So sinabi niya kung magkano yung nagastos niya for the exam, and then umabot na ng 5,000 euro. So imagine, kinalculate ko nung patago, sabi ko, oh my god, ang laki ng nagastos niya kasi sa Germany daw, parang pag nag-take ka daw ng lisensya doon, pag bumagsak ka, mag-a-additional ng 1,000 euro for that. Like, yung regular lang na bayad is just like 5,000. Pag bumagsak ka daw, pag umulit ka, mag-a-additional na naman ng 1,000. So, the next exam mo is magiging 6,000 na siya. So, pag bobo ka, ayun siya, magiging lalaki yung babayaran mo. So, 'di ba? Parang sabi ko, okay, one take lang siya. So, matalino siya. So, sabi kong ganun, oh my God! So, ayun na nga, 'di ba? Sabi ko, short lang to, 'di ba? Umabot na tayo ng 12 minutes, tangina niyo. 'Di ba? So, ayun na nga. So, matutulog na ako, and if you wanted to continue this video, just watch it. Kasi 1 minute lang naman yung video ng pag-aano namin doon. Kasi, I don't want it to like, I don't want it to video more because 'di ba nahihiya din ako kasi 'di ba nag-date lang kami pero gagawin ko ng vlog yung ano niya yung pag-aano namin, and then nahihiya ako kasi baka 'di ba baka hindi siya comfortable to ano, pero na video ko naman siya ng paunti-unti din para you know to prove to you guys na nag-date talaga ako ng German guy, 'di ba? Ito lang, yun lang. Panoorin nyo kung gusto nyo ano makita. Yun lang. Bye! Good night, guys, from Europe. Tomorrow we'll be in Barcelona, Spain. Love you guys. Bye! See you soon when I come back into Philippines. Yeah. Gusto niyo French fries? Gusto niyo to? Bumili kayo. Bye! Hey guys, so ayan na nga, it's me again. Here, I'm on the elevator, so checking my outfit, if it is good, for me to be look good on him. So ayan na nga, so I'm just waiting for the elevator. So ayan, so nakalabas na ako ng elevator, and this is me fixing again because I'm so you know, diba, na ano ako, parang kinakabahan ako kasi he's there and just waiting for me because he's preparing for us. Hi.
How are you?
I was just looking for the red chair right there.
Okay.
And I was say hi, Tob.
Hello.